Hello, Dr. Smith here from Able Chiropractic. Hey, today I wanted to introduce you to my new technology that I've purchased, the Class 4 laser. For the last 2.5 years, I've been doing my due diligence, researching lasers and the healing properties of lasers. And I've decided on the highest powered 60 watt. I'm the only one in the state of Minnesota to have a 60 watt laser. Now, what this laser does is it's a high intensity, deep penetrating laser that will penetrate 6 to 8 inches through bone to generate healing in tissues that have been damaged. Whether it's an old injury or a new injury, it's going to reduce pain significantly and create a healing process. When you're doing this therapy, you apply it to the joint, the injured area. It will penetrate deep, causing the cells, organelle, the mitochondria, to release ATP. That is the energy behind all healing and all regeneration of tissue. So this is an amazing tool that I've incorporated into my practice now. I'm having amazing success already, and I'm excited to share it with you.
My name's Diane. This spring I had a torn tendon in my ankle, and I found out that one treatment plan was to reconstruct my foot and have 1 year of rehab therapy. I decided instead to go ahead and have the laser treatment. I had 25 laser treatments in 2 months' time. I am pain-free. I can do everything that I did before the ankle was torn, and I'm very grateful for the technology that Dr. Brian has to offer.
Hello, I'm Dr. Kurt Drager. I treat the Olympic decathlon team and also members of professional sports teams like the Green Bay Packers. I have a practice over in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and I'm excited today because I'm going to bring Dr. Brian my new laser that we've designed and built. And in fact, I brought this back from the 2012 Olympics, where we treated the gold medal winner and the silver medal winner for the decathlon. And since we only had 2 guys from the US go to the Olympics, they did as good as they could do. But this laser was a big reason why, because it will speed up healing 40 to 50% faster, and it takes away pain like no other tool I've ever been able to use. So when I'm treating chronic pain, or I'm treating anybody with a fresh injury, it's going to be able to take away the pain much faster, and it lasts longer than anything I've ever been able to use with either my athletes or anybody with chronic pain. So I'm excited for Dr. Brian because he's excited about doing the best that there can possibly be, and I think this tool is going to really help him help his patients.
Hi, my name is Julie, and for the past over a year actually, I've been experiencing pain in my knee that's been limiting my motion. To the point that I would have to use the rail to go up and down the steps. I was limited in my workouts. I couldn't really bend my knee more than just about like that. And after just 7 treatments on the deep penetrating laser, I'm happy to say that I have, I would say, probably my full range of motion back, where I can go down almost to the ground. So thank you, Dr. Brian, for that, and I'm looking forward to finishing my sessions.
Laser therapy was born from scientific research over 30 years ago in Europe. Today, the advanced technology of Class 4 deep tissue laser therapy is an effective alternative to surgical procedures, does not require the use of drugs, or have any known side effects. Studies have proven that Class 4 laser therapy achieves faster and more effective results than the treatment from other modalities. Albert Einstein, who brought us the theory of relativity, first proposed a process that makes lasers possible. By the mid-1960s, scientists discovered that lasers could be used to accelerate how fast the body heals after surgery. Since that time, there have been over 2,500 published medical research papers on the subject of laser therapy, accelerated injury healing, and pain relief. The Class 4 laser provides a deeper penetration that allows for faster treatments with a variety of options and a greater number of applications. This translates into positive physiological outcomes that include advanced pain relief, accelerated healing, increased cellular energy levels, improved range of motion and function, reduction of inflammation, and more. During laser therapy, the infrared laser light interacts with tissues at the cellular level. Higher levels of ATP are produced, which then increases metabolic activity within the cell, improves the transport of nutrients across the cell membrane, and initiates the release of nitric oxide. These events lead to a cascade of beneficial effects, increasing cellular function and health. During each painless treatment, laser energy increases circulation, drawing water, oxygen, and nutrients to the damaged area. This creates an optimal healing environment that reduces inflammation, swelling, muscle spasms, stiffness, and pain. As the injured area returns to normal, function is restored and pain is relieved.
All right, my name is Carrie Valtakis. I've been coming to Dr. Brian Smith for about 6 treatments now for the high intensity laser. I've been in pain with my neck for about 6 months where I can't sleep at night, wake up with a headache, which makes me tired for working all day and just not functioning very well and getting worse. I noticed a huge difference after my first treatment. I was able to sleep through the night. I didn't wake up with a headache. I wasn't tossing and turning all night. And after 6 treatments now, I've seen a huge difference, and I'm able to do a lot more things that I used to be able to do. I'm starting to feel like my old self again.
Hey, my name is Rick Fetzvong. I'm a coach at CrossFit Mendota. I've had the laser treatment twice. I was having a lot of problems with my left knee. I squat pretty heavy all the time. I do a lot of Olympic style weightlifting. My knee was troubling me for the last 3 weeks, but I've been doing I went for the laser treatment twice, and it's great. Feels great. I can squat again, back to normal depth. Pistol squat right back up, and I'm loving life again. Thanks, Dr. Brian.
My name is Sue. I had the laser treatment. I overworked my left shoulder from moving a 2-bedroom apartment, and I'm also a massage therapist, and so it was pretty stiff, and I had laser treatment twice, and it's like just normal. I can do everything, and I'm working doubles, and it feels awesome. So I do highly recommend it.
Okay, my name is Sandy, and about 2 months ago I was in severe pain with my neck. I've been having neck issues off and on for the last several years. That's why with Dr. Brian. And then we did an intense therapy for probably 6 weeks, 2 times a week. And we did adjustments, of course. We did the alkalized water. We did the light therapy, and then the intense light therapy. We did the TENS. I did the posture pump. So it was a combination of lots of things. And it started out, I was in a pain probably from about 7 to 8 every day. In fact, I was almost ready to go to the emergency room one day because the pain was so severe. And within about the last 2 months, because of that intense therapy and the icing, I'm probably at a 1 or 2. It hardly ever gives me any problem anymore. So thank you, Dr. Brian. I appreciate that.